Go to bed, Harold. Rooster Harold, go to bed. Turn them lights off. Farmer Mike. From the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz. Shut up, Earl! You know you need to go to bed. Farmer Mike outside, spying on the hens and the roosters inside. And turn those lights off. Had to check up on the Vine Street hens. And Pablo, not you too. Go to bed, Pablo. Let's get out, get some more light. Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Shut up, Harold! 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So I had to check up on the girls and the roosters tonight outside the coop, and they are doing really well. And I'm just so happy because they actually, the lights in there is powered by solar. So they're solar powered lights. And so it's an off-grid system, and I love that. I love off-grid sustainable systems. If you love off-grid sustainable systems too, check out my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. One of them was showing you how to save your own seeds. And then, like this, save your own sunflower seeds, and you can do this with a number of plants, and you'll never have to buy another plant again. You'll say, Farmer Mike, but I can't grow anything. Well, I can show you how to grow. Yes, this is a 12-foot sunflower plant, and it was actually growing in a crack in the sidewalk. I'll show you how to do it. Of course, you are going to have a much easier time than that. Pablo, if you don't get out the street, Pablo's in the street. Easy to do. Watch my videos. Become a master gardener just by watching my YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. So everything is looking amazing. I just had to come and check up on everything tonight. And so be looking for sustainable systems, because we're going into a world where we have tariffs, and we're going into a world where we have rising energy costs. And solar is definitely the way to go. Geothermal is definitely the way to go. Inside the greenhouse, I've done several videos on Big Bertha. That's a furnace that burns biofuel. So check out that video. So if you're looking to save some money, save some yen, save some ducats, check out my YouTube channel. Also got a video. That greenhouse down there, the Hickman greenhouse, it actually collects rainwater through a guttering system. So we've got two 1550-gallon tanks inside there, natural rainwater. You can take that rainwater, you can actually filter it with some a sand filter, some UV filtration system, and you can make it drinking water quality. So imagine never have to paying for a water bill again. You can do it. That video shows you everything you need to know to get a system like that. Of course, when we irrigate our crops with rainwater, it's healthier and it grows faster. Someone asked me the other day, said, Farmer Mike, I heard that you can take some salt and you can mix it with, and you can kind of make a rainwater substitute. No, it's not so possible. There is no cheat code. Rainwater is better. Better for the plants, and it's better for you, because why, Farmer Mike? Well, it's not treated with chemicals. It's not treated with chloramine, and these are things that they put in to coat the pipes that run in the sewer system. So they run in the sewer system, and they actually, that's a water line right there. That's a water line, and so they have to add chemicals, and that chemical kills the microbiology in the soil. So it's not good for it at all, actually. And so that's why the plants grow much faster when you irrigate with rainwater. It's healthier, and I've done several videos on that. Go back and watch those videos on my YouTube channel, where you can even see Farmer Mike drinking water from that system right there. So I got to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Pablo, get out the street. If you know how to keep Pablo the farm cat out of the street, let me know in the comments section. Pablo is the keeper, the guardian, right here, of the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Bovine Farm. Pablo, go to bed. Get out of the street. If you know how to keep Pablo out of the street, let me know. We're at Ophelia's Bovine Farm next Saturday, right here, next Saturday, looking for volunteers. Next Saturday, 9 a.m., we'll be picking hops. We'll be picking some hops, a lot of hops we have to pick for a beer collab for Vine Street Brewing. So if you can make it out next Saturday, 9 a.m., hope to see you out here outside Ophelia's Bovine Farm. We're in the Jazz District, where it lives. Farmer Mike with another impromptu master class, signing off.